Good day everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the second part of Gauss' laws, which is Charles' law. Our objective for today is to investigate the relationship between the volume and temperature, but the constant or means unchanged ay pressure. Solve problems involving changes in the condition of Charles' law and give application of Charles' law into a real-life situation. So Charles' law states that the Kelvin or temperature and volume of the gas are directly related and there's no change in pressure on the amount of gas. Let us remember, to convert Celsius to Kelvin, you need to add 273.15. So, tingnan natin itong illustration na to. So, makikita natin na ang temperature at ang volume. Okay? And pag tumaas ang temperature, lalaki din o tumataas din yung volume. Pag mababa ang temperature, mababa ang volume. Therefore, the volume and the temperature, as the volume increases, the temperature also increases. And as the volume decreases, the temperature also decreases. Therefore, they are directly proportional to each other. So, the person behind the Charles law, he is Jacques Charles, discovered the direct relationship between the volume and the temperature and constant o hindi nakaka-apekto ang ating pressure. Okay? So we have the units used in measuring temperature and volume. For volume, we have milliliter, ml, cubic centimeter, and we have liter. So remember, 1 liter is equal 1,000 milliliter. And for the conversion of our unit measuring temperature, we have Celsius as degree Celsius, and we have Kelvin. Kelvin, always remember that we're going to convert the degree Celsius to Kelvin. So we have Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So tatandaan nyo to. And also meron tayong tinatawag na STP or standard temperature and pressure. So I will discuss later. So the formula or the equation that we are going to use, so we have V sub 1 divided by T sub 1 is equal to V sub 2 divided by T sub 2, where T sub 1 means initial temperature of the gas, V sub 1 initial volume of the gas, T sub 2 final temperature, and V sub 2 final volume of the gas. Okay, so now let's have a sample problem. The temperature of 1.5 liter of gas is initially 45 degrees Celsius. It is heated to 150 degrees Celsius while being kept at constant pressure. What's the volume of the gas after it is heated? Now let's compute. Okay, so now let's use the Gresse method. So given, we have here temperature, initial temperature, we have 45 degrees Celsius. And initial temperature, we have 150 degrees Celsius. Now, what are we going to do is to convert this degree Celsius to Kelvin. Therefore, meron tayong kaninang formula na Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Therefore, 45 plus 273.15, we have 318.15 Kelvin. So 150 degrees plus 273.15, we have 423.15 Kelvin. So ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya. And also, we have initial volume na 1.1 liters. So our given. Ayun. Okay? So next, what is our required? Ano bang hinahanap natin? So our required, we are looking for the value of final volume after it is heated. So titingnan natin. So meron tayo dito na dalawang cylinder. So sabi noon, ang temperature 1 daw ng isa ay 41 degrees. Ibig sabihin, medyo hindi pa ito kainitan. But may volume na 1.1 liters. So yan, tingnan natin. So ito cylinder A. So si cylinder B, tingnan natin. So let us assume, so meron daw siyang 150 degrees Celsius, no? Na init. Okay? So painitan natin. So now, i-assume natin, ano ba ang final volume? Mataas sa 1.1 o mababa? Okay? So kukumputin natin. Sabi na natin, pag daw tumaas ang temperature, mataas din ang volume. Now let us check. So we have the equation. So we have the formula V sub 1 divided by T sub 1 is equal to V sub 2 divided by T sub 2. Now what we're going to do is to, paano natin makukuha ang value ng final volume? We're going to apply the cross multiplication. So we have V sub 1. So we have T sub 2 is equal to V sub 2 times V sub 1. So meron na tayo. Next, let us find this one. Now we are going to apply the divide both side by T1. So let us cancel. So we have V sub 2, V sub 1, T sub 2, T sub. Okay. So may natira na tayo. So this would be our formula to find the value of V sub 2. Now, what is our solution? So we have V sub 2, pagbaliktad lang natin, V sub 1, T sub 2 divided by T sub 1. So now let us substitute. What is the value of V1? We have 1.1 liters multiplied by T2. What's our T2? 423.15 Kelvin. Okay, divided by 318.15 Kelvin. Okay, so let us compute. So we have 1.1 times 423.15 Kelvin, yan, divided by 318.15 Kelvin. Okay, yan. So we have final answer of 1.46. Now let us use to the second decimal places. We have our final volume is 1.46 Now, what is our answer? Is it what? Okay. Okay, so our unit is liters. Okay, very good. So this would be our final answer. Therefore, ano, mataas siya? Yes, mas mataas. Okay? So naglalaro to 1. If we're going to convert into whole number, it is 1.5 liters. So ibig sabihin, ilalagay natin mga hanggang dito siya. Yan. Okay. So ang ating tumaas, we have 1.46 liters. Okay, ibig sabihin, as the temperature, okay, so ito yung apoy, as the temperature increases, the volume increases. And as the temperature decreases, the volume decreases. So that's all about Charles' law. And now, so Charles' law, yan, the temperature decreases. Ito naman, nadagdagan, tumaas ang ating volume, lumaki. Ano? So therefore, Charles' law states that the volume-temperature relationship states that at a constant pressure, the volume of a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the Kelvin or temperature. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag tumaas ang volume, tataas ang temperature. Pag bumaba ang temperature, bumaba din ang volume. Pero constant o hindi nagbabago o hindi nakaka-apekto ang ating pressure. Okay? So this is your activity for today. Now, so application. So example natin, yung mga gulong, di ba? Yung pag mga gulong, kapag during tulad nito, tag-araw, pag mainit, mataas ang temperature, tumataas din yung volume ng gas o ng air inside dun sa gulong. Therefore, pag tumaas, there's a possibility na mag-burst yung gulong. Minsan naman, di ba, pag malamig, akala mo flat yung gulong, pero hindi siya flat. Yung pala, lumiit lang yung volume. Okay? So that's all.